Did you know that Donald Trump's $17 million chateau survived a hurricane? While Oprah, Richard Branson, Johnny Depp, and other celebrities with homes in the Caribbean showed their homes completely collapsed and decimated after Hurricane Irma in 2017, Donald Trump's beautiful estate barely got a single scratch. It is a puzzle why this happened, but shortly after the hurricane, locals and popular figures such as Richard Branson became vocal about the destruction in their local area due to the level 5 hurricane. Multiple people did not survive the event, and there was an estimated $50 billion of property damage, but Trump's St. Martin estate was photographed as untouched. Was this an act of God?